I have 2 chicken breasts here. I am going to salt and pepper both sides, and then I'm gonna let them sit at room temperature until they are no longer cold before we pan fry them. So I'm gonna heat some olive oil in this pan. Let it get nice and hot. Notice that I didn't put a ton of oil in here. I just kind of coated the bottom, okay? I'm gonna place the chicken breasts in here. And I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium high. And we're not gonna touch this for about 5-6 minutes. Resist the temptation of pulling it over and flipping, just don't touch it, okay? I'm gonna say about 6 minutes went by. I can separate these easily from the pan, which means they are nicely, seared. These are very beautiful. Look at them. All right. I'm going to add some butter to this. And mash. I'm gonna add 2 peeled smashed garlic cloves. And a piece of rosemary. This is gonna take another 6-7 minutes to be ready. We're going to get some of the melted butter and baste our breast. And then just let it finish cooking. We're gonna flip this one more time. We need this chicken breast to be registering 165 Fahrenheit, which is 74 centigrade. That's ready. So I'm just gonna remove them. We're going to let these rest for 5 minutes before we cut them, guys. The moment of truth, guys. I am going to cut these against the grain, not with the grain, okay? So, just gonna slice it like that. Oh boy. That is perfectly cooked. Very juicy. Check out how glistening it is in the inside. So this took about, I'm gonna say 13 minutes in total, 13-14 minutes. So check it out. Doesn't that look great? Please don't eat raw chicken. It will make you sick. So if yours takes a little longer, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's cooked. Don't overcook it because it'll get dry. But just if you have a thermometer, that's the best way. Here, let's try this piece from the middle. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's glistening. Oh. That is really tasty and it's tender, juicy. Really nice, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.